Welcome back. If you have important data in your Google Sheet and you want to protect your Google Sheet by adding a password, so if you share this particular URL to anyone else, they cannot able to see what exactly in your Google Sheet. So let me give you an example. I just refresh my URL, so it means I have just opened the Google Sheet in my browser. Understand? You don't understand. Let me give you an example. This is my Google Sheet URL and the access type is editor, anyone with the link. Okay, so whenever I go to my other email account and open this particular link, so you can able to see here there is no sheet available, but before that we have many sheets with important data. Where is this? So don't worry, go to security menu. This is the security menu. Enter password to unlock. Just come to here, enter password, and you can easily able to see here there is a login form and you just need to enter your admin password here. So there is admin or user, both roles. I will explain you all the things step by step how you can do that and what it will do. Enter your password and click on this unlock. So when you enter your password, as of now you can able to see here the lead sheet is available in front of you and it's unlocked and you can easily able to do and do performing the task. And in the access log you can also see which user access your Google Sheet and everything you can get from the access log. So in today's video I am going to show you a free Google app script that will completely lock your Google Sheet. Whenever anyone open the sheet it will ask for a password first. Okay, what whenever open your Google Sheet, let's take example, I just refresh my web application and as of now you can able to see that no data is available here. Okay, so whenever I refresh it will ask me for password to unlock, so I will enter the password. Without enter the password nothing will be visible. So you can see this I have already showed to your demo. Okay, so what can this script do? Number one, whenever anyone opens your Google Sheet, all sheets will be automatically hidden and a password dialog will appear covering the screen. Okay, number two, it has two passwords, one for normal users and one for the admin users. So already we checked the admin user. Now we just need to enter our password for the user, just for the normal user. So you can see the login screen is appeared and I just enter here the demo 26 and click on this unlock sheet. And when I click on this unlock sheet, as of now you can easily able to see here it's verifying and now the access is granting, but now there is no access log file. That particular access log file is only visible to the admin. Okay, so number three, there is a one more feature. If someone refresh and if someone open the URL they will not able to see the sheets, we understand that. And the security enter password, what happen if they enter the wrong password? I just enter the wrong password here, so you can easily able to see that wrong password, two attempts remaining. Okay, I will use my remaining two attempt as well. So I just in the two times wrong password, now I am entered again third time wrong password. So as of now you can able to see here account locked for 5 minutes, too many wrong attempts. Okay, I just come to here security and enter password. So this is my main sheet where I have created this and I enter my admin password here and click on this unlock sheet. So when I click on this unlock sheet, as of now you can able to see here access granted successfully, and in the access log this particular email enter multiple three times wrong password, means multiple times wrong password, and the access type is logged out for 5 minutes. Okay sir, who accessed? Okay, we already covered that. So how you can set up this, let me show you. Just open your browser and make a new sheet. Okay, I just enter a sheet.new, so it will create a new sheet. So I just enter here the name log sheet, simple, that's fine. Understand sir? Okay, now you have added this particular code in the description. You can just copy and go to your extensions and go to the app script. So when you go to the app script, so you can see a new tab is appeared and here you can write your app script code. Okay, I just paste all the code here and click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now you can able to see here the code is saved successfully. But there is a thing, sir, here's we have entered the security password and log sheet, but we not understand the log sheet yet. I will show you, no worries, take care, just 1 minute. Okay, so in the config setting you can see this is a password for normal user. A normal user what you can give you the access, you can set the password for the normal user. This is for the admin password. Maximum attempts 3. If 3 times wrong, then the account will be locked. Okay, for how much time? 5 minutes time. Log access true. Log sheet name, this is access log sheet. Public sheets welcome. So this is the welcome sheet, and if you want to add multiple sheets you can add here as well, which is the public sheets. Okay, you understand them. Now what we need to do, we simply need to do click on this run. So when I click on this run, it will ask you review permissions. So just click on this review permissions and click on this advanced and click on this go to untitled project and continue. Okay, so here's you need to click on this select all and click on this continue. So when you click on this continue, as of now you can able to see here the execution is completed, and now this particular sheet is password protected now. Okay, so no, you are telling us wrong. I just simply copy this particular URL. Okay, leave this, you don't understand in this simple way. Make this anyone with the link. Okay, make this editor and click on this copy link. Now you understand that I copied our new sheet because you are too much bad people. So just see this, we have copied this, and click on this done. And now go to your any other browser, okay, any other Gmail where you have a Google account login, and paste your this particular Google link in your address bar, and click on this enter. So when you click on this enter, as of now you can able to see here this spreadsheet is password protected. Okay, so go back to our main browser and here you will see there is no sheet. I just add here sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Okay, and added here the Ramis. Okay, now what I need to do, I just simply click on this log sheet. So when I click on this log sheet, as of now you can able to see here my script is running and it will logged my sheet. Okay, understand, sheet logged, all sheets have been hidden, use the security menu to unlock. Okay, understand. Now come to here, all sheets is hidden, no one able to see. How I can able to see? Simply click on this security. Okay, enter password. Okay, enter password, and you can see it says authorization required. A script attached to this document needs your permission to run. I just simply click on this. Okay, okay, so and you can see click on this advanced, go to untitled, and again click on this continue. So when I click on this continue, I just need to simply select all and again continue. So you can see the access is granted, and now the login form, the protected sheet login form where we need to enter our password is appeared. So I just simply enter my admin demo here and click on this unlock sheet. So when I click on this unlock sheet, so it will give us the wrong password. So we will go to our this, and you can see this is our main password, admin password, and just come to here and paste it here and click on this verify. So when we click on this verify, as of now you can able to see here all the sheets which we have created is appeared here. Okay, you understand them, and that is the name which I have entered in my main sheet. Okay, you understand them, understand them. Okay, so